Dear students, this is our lecture number 4 of chapter number 13, Amines. In this lecture, we are going to study laboratory test for amines, alkylation of amines, Hofmann elimination reaction, acylation of amines, carbyl amine reaction, reaction with nitrous acid, resonance of benzene diazonium salts. Chemical properties of amines, laboratory test for amines. We know all amines like primary, secondary amines and tertiary amines are basic compounds. Aqueous solution of water soluble amines turns red litmus blue. Red litmus turns blue means amines are basic in nature. When amine is reacted with mineral acid in the aqueous solution, it gives a substituted ammonium chloride. Nitrogen atom of amine accepts proton and forms a substituted ammonium chloride. But this substituted ammonium chloride on reaction with excess of sodium hydroxide in the aqueous condition regenerates the original insoluble amine. ही जनरल रिएक्शन सुद्धा तशीच सेम आहे. प्रायमरी अमाइन त्याच्यामध्ये लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे नायट्रोजनवर आणि ह्या हायड्रोजन हॅलाइड ॲसिड बरोबर रिॲक्ट केला त्याचा मिळणार अल्काइल अमोनियम हॅलाइड. हा आहे सॉल्ट आणि हा जो तयार झालेला सॉल्ट आहे त्याची रिॲक्शन या बेस बरोबर केली तर पुन्हा एकदा आपल्याला प्रायमरी अमाइन रिजनरेट झालेलं दिसेल. एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊया. ॲनिलीन HCl बरोबर रिॲक्शन घेतली. हे मिनरल ॲसिड आहे आणि ते मिळणार आहे ॲनिलिनियम क्लोराईड अशा प्रकारच्या सॉल्टच्या स्वरूपात. म्हणजे ॲनिलिनियम क्लोराईड हा सॉल्ट तयार होतो. Second laboratory test for amines, diazotization reaction or orange dye test. First, aromatic primary amine is taken in the test tube. Then 1 to 2 ml of concentrated HCl is added. Test tube becomes hot. Test tube is cooled by using tap water or ice bath. Then aqueous solution of sodium nitrite is added and this solution is transferred to a test tube containing solution of beta naphthol in NaOH. Then formation of orange dye take place. This indicates presence of aromatic primary amino group and this total reaction is carried near about 0 degrees Celsius throughout the reaction. आपण पुन्हा एकदा बघूया डायझोटायझेशन रिॲक्शन किंवा ऑरेंज डाय टेस्ट म्हणजे काय. सुरुवातीला एक टेस्ट ट्यूब घ्यायची. टेस्ट ट्यूबमध्ये ॲरोमॅटिक अमाइन घ्यायचं त्यामध्ये 1 ते 2 ml कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड HCl ॲड करायचं. ही टेस्ट ट्यूब गरम होणार आहे. ती टेस्ट ट्यूब आईस बाथमध्ये किंवा टॅप वॉटरच्या सहाय्यानं थंड करायची. त्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये सोडियम नायट्रेट सोल्युशन ड्रॉपवाईज ॲड करायचं. त्यानंतर हे सोल्युशन दुसऱ्या एका टेस्ट ट्यूबमध्ये बीटा नॅफ्थॉलिन NaOH घ्यायचं आणि पहिल्या टेस्ट ट्यूबमधलं सोल्युशन 2 नंबर सोल्युशन जे आहे बीटा नॅफ्थॉलिन NaOH यामध्ये ॲड करायचं किंवा मिसळायचं. त्यानंतर ऑरेंज डायस्टफ तयार झालेला आपल्याला दिसेल. याचाच अर्थ त्या दिलेल्या ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंडमध्ये ॲरोमॅटिक प्रायमरी अमायनो ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे. आणि ही सर्व रिॲक्शन 0 डिग्री सेल्सिअसच्या आसपास तापमान ठेवून पूर्ण करायची आहे. या रिॲक्शनला म्हणायचं डायॲझोटायझेशन रिॲक्शन किंवा ऑरेंज डाय टेस्ट. Diazotization reaction is carried by using reactant aniline, sodium nitrite and concentrated hydrochloric acid. When aniline is reacted with concentrated HCl and sodium nitrite at low temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, this aniline is converted into benzene diazonium chloride. This is azo dye, which is orange in color, orange dye. म्हणजेच ॲनिलीन घ्या एका टेस्ट ट्यूबमध्ये, त्यामध्ये कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड HCl ॲड करा, त्यानंतर सोडियम नायट्रेट ॲड करा. पण ही रिॲक्शन 0 ते 5 डिग्री सेल्सिअस इतक्या तापमानालाच पूर्ण करायची. त्यावेळेस आपल्याला ॲनिलीनचं रूपांतर हे बेन्झीन डायझोनियम क्लोराईडमध्ये झालेलं दिसेल. आणि हा जो बेन्झीन डायझोनियम क्लोराईड आहे तोच ऑरेंज डाय किंवा अझो डाय असं म्हणलं जातं. अल्कायलेशन ऑफ अमाइन्स. Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation. When a primary amine is heated with excess of primary alkyl halide, it gives a mixture of secondary amine, tertiary amine along with tetraalkyl ammonium halide. See the reaction. Primary amine, when heated with alkyl halide, replacement of hydrogen by alkyl group to give secondary amine, combined with alkyl halide gives tertiary amine, and combined with next molecule of alkyl halide gives tetraalkyl ammonium halide. In the first step, hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, gives secondary amine, and hydrogen is removed with the halogen, becomes hydrogen halide as a byproduct. Similarly, when secondary amine is heated with alkyl halide, second molecule of hydrogen halide is obtained as a byproduct. When tertiary amine is heated with alkyl halide, third molecule of hydrogen halide is obtained as a byproduct. And in this reaction, tertiary amine does not contain any replaceable hydrogen atom. So when heated with alkyl halide, gives tetraalkyl ammonium halide. And the tetraalkyl ammonium halides are called quaternary ammonium salts which are crystalline solids. When this reaction is carried by using methyl iodide, then this reaction is called as exhaustive methylation of amines. For example, methylamine. When heated with methyl iodide, first it gives dimethylamine plus HI. Secondary amine, when heated with methyl iodide, gives trimethylamine plus hydrogen iodide. This trimethylamine, when heated with methyl iodide, gives tetramethyl ammonium iodide. This reaction is called as exhaustive methylation of amine, and hydrogen iodide is obtained as a byproduct. So this reaction is carried out in presence of mild base sodium bicarbonate to neutralize the large quantity of hydrogen halide. Huffman elimination. When tetraalkyl ammonium halide is heated with moist silver oxide, it gives quaternary ammonium hydroxide, which is deliquescent crystalline solid. Deliquescent means becoming liquid or having tendency to become liquid. म्हणजेच असा सबस्टन्स की जो पाणी ॲब्सॉर्ब करतो आणि ओलसर होतो. Strongly basic like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Quaternary ammonium hydroxide on strong heating undergo beta elimination to give an alkene. The reaction is called Huffman elimination. The least substituted alkene is obtained as a major product, in contrast to Sedzep's elimination. Example: NNN triethyl propyl ammonium chloride. या कंपाऊंडला हे नाव कसं आहे ते बघूया आपण. NNN ट्रायइथाइल हे 3 वेळा इथाइल ग्रुप आणि प्रोपाइल हा प्रोपाइल ग्रुप या नायट्रोजनला जोडलेला आहे. म्हणजे असे टोटल 4 ग्रुप नायट्रोजनला जोडले म्हणून अमोनियम आणि हे आयोडाईड म्हणून अशा प्रकारे नाव आलेलं आहे NNN ट्रायइथाइल प्रोपाइल अमोनियम आयोडाईड. and heated with silver hydroxide or moist silver oxide gives NNN triethyl propan ammonium hydroxide. आता हे नाव कसं आलेलं आहे बघूया. NNN ट्राइथाइल हा पहिला इथाइल, हा दुसरा इथाइल आणि हा तिसरा इथाइल. प्रोपॅन हे आहे प्रोपॅन. अमोनियम या नायट्रोजनला 4 ग्रुप जोडलेले आहेत म्हणून झाला N प्लस आणि हायड्रॉक्साईड हे आहे हायड्रॉक्साईड. आता त्याला हीट केलं. ऑन हीटिंग इट लूजेस वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल अँड आफ्टर लॉस ऑफ दिस वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल. आता वॉटर कुठून लॉस होणार आहे ते बघा. हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप आणि ह्या अल्फा बीटा जो आहे ना, अल्फा कार्बन बीटा कार्बन नायट्रोजनला ह्या जोडलेल्या आहेत. अल्फा बीटा यातला हायड्रोजन जाणार ह्या हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप बरोबर आणि त्याचं तयार होईल वॉटर. आणि हायड्रोजन गेल्यामुळं बीटा कार्बनवरचा हायड्रोजन गेल्यामुळं तयार होईल इथीन. हा इथून ब्रेक होणार आहे. हा इथून ब्रेक होणार असा आणि बीटाचा हायड्रोजन आणि हे हायड्रॉक्सिल अशा प्रकारे वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव्ह होईल आणि आपल्याला मिळणार इथीन आणि दुसरा प्रोडक्ट NN डायइथाइल प्रोपाइल अमाइन. Acylation of amines. Aliphatic and aromatic primary and secondary amines undergo acylation reaction. These amines contain replaceable hydrogen atoms, positively polarized hydrogen on nitrogen atom. These hydrogen atoms are replaced by acyl group. For example, primary amine. This primary amine contains 2 hydrogen atoms which are replaceable. Secondary amine. This contains replaceable 1 hydrogen atom. These hydrogen atoms are replaced by acyl groups such as acetyl group. On reaction of amine with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, acetyl derivative of amine is obtained. It is also called amide. म्हणजेच आता हा जो असा आहे R N H हा H प्लस R C O C L हा H ह्या CL बरोबर निघून गेला आणि आपला काय तयार होईल R N H C O R हे आलं NHCO. यामुळं आपण म्हणणार आहे याला अमाइड. Amide is less basic than amine. Acylation is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution means replacement of weaker nucleophile by stronger nucleophile. And this reaction is carried out in presence of strong base like pyridine, which neutralizes the acid produced during the reaction. For example, ethanamine or ethylamine heated with ethanoyl chloride means acetyl chloride. This ethanamine contains 2 replaceable hydrogen atoms. When heated with ethanoyl chloride in presence of pyridine, first migration of pi electrons towards oxygen and carbon becomes positive, oxygen negative after migration of electron. So lone pair of electron is donated. Lone pair of electron is donated to carbon atom and this intermediate is obtained. Then again electrons are shifted between oxygen and carbon. So N-ethyl ethanamide is obtained as a product. This hydrogen atom is removed with halogen in the form of byproduct. Next example, N-ethyl ethanamine. Another name, diethylamine, which contains only one replaceable hydrogen atom. So this hydrogen atom is replaced by acetyl group and hydrogen is removed with the halogen in the form of byproduct. Similarly, first complex is obtained by migration of pi electron towards oxygen, and nitrogen get attracted towards the carbon and gives the complex, and then product NN diethyl ethanamide, NN diethyl ethanamide. Next example, N-methyl aniline. N-methyl aniline heated with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine gives N-methyl N-phenyl ethanamide, N-methyl N-phenyl ethanamide. This is amide part, and byproduct HCl. Next example, aniline when heated with benzoyl chloride in presence of base pyridine. First migration of electron towards oxygen, and this nitrogen, which contains lone pair of electron, attacks on carbon, forms the complex, then product N-phenyl benzamide is obtained, and byproduct HCl. In this way, acylation of amine takes place. Carbyl amine reaction. Aliphatic or aromatic primary amines on heating with chloroform give foul smelling products or offensive smelling products called alkyl or aryl isocyanates or carbyl amines. This reaction is a test for primary amines. Secondary and tertiary amines do not give this test. See the reaction. Primary amine when heated with chloroform and strong alkali potassium hydroxide, it gives alkyl isocyanide RNC plus potassium chloride and water. For example, when ethylamine is heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide and chloroform gives ethyl isocyanide and potassium chloride and water. Next example, aniline when heated with potassium hydroxide in the alcoholic condition and chloroform gives phenyl isocyanide plus KCl and water. Reaction with nitrous acid. Primary, secondary and tertiary amines gives different reaction with nitrous acid. Let us consider the reaction of nitrous acid with primary amine. When primary amine is reacted with nitrous acid at low temperature in presence of sodium nitrite and HCl, Means by the reaction of sodium nitrite and HCl, this nitrous acid is obtained. After reaction of primary amine and nitrous acid at low temperature, it gives alkyl diazonium chloride. This is intermediate compound which on hydrolysis, breaking of this R-N bond and C-N bond, alcohol is obtained. This alcohol is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is obtained as a product with byproduct nitrogen gas and HCl. Aromatic primary amine, for example aniline, when treated with nitrous acid at low temperature, it gives benzene diazonium chloride. Means aromatic primary amines react with nitrous acid and gives diazonium salts which are stable at low temperature. Reaction of secondary amine with nitrous acid. Secondary aliphatic and aromatic amines form nitrosoamine, yellow oils with nitrous acid. For example, dimethylamine when treated with sodium nitrite and concentrated HCl, or nitrous acid at low temperature near about 273 to 278 Kelvin. It gives N-nitrosodimethylamine. This is N-nitroso part and dimethyl. N-nitrosodimethylamine. Example of aromatic amines. Secondary amine, N-methyl aniline. This is an example of aromatic secondary amine. When treated with nitrous acid or mixture of sodium nitrite and concentrated hydrochloric acid, gives product N-nitroso N-methyl aniline. This is N-nitroso part N-methyl aniline product. When aliphatic tertiary amines are reacted with sodium nitrite and mineral acid, gives amine salt and N-nitroso-ammonium compound. When aromatic tertiary amine like NN-dimethylamine is reacted with sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at low temperature, gives para-nitroso NN-dimethylamine. This is para-nitroso part NN-dimethylamine. Aryl diazonium salts. Aryl diazonium salts are resonance stabilized and useful as versatile intermediates to obtain a variety of products. Let us see the resonance stabilization of aryl diazonium salts. Structure number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the first structure, pi electrons are transferred towards nitrogen, and this nitrogen contains two lone pair of electrons. Carbon numbers of benzene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Pi electrons present between first and sixth carbon atom are migrated between nitrogen and first carbon. So double bond is obtained between nitrogen and first carbon, and sixth carbon carries positive charge. Then pi electrons present between fourth and fifth carbon are shifted between fifth and sixth carbon, and we get this third structure. Then pi electrons present between second and third carbon atom are shifted between third and fourth carbon atom. So this fourth structure is obtained. Then pi electrons present between nitrogen and first carbon atoms are transferred between first and second carbon atom. We get this fifth structure. Compare first and fifth structure. This is first structure and this is fifth structure. Position of double bond is changed. So this is the resonance stabilization of aryl diazonium salts.